Hello everybody, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you one more job opportunities. This time I'm going to refer you in Accenture. So Accenture is looking for multiple positions. So basically I will send this resume to my friend and he is working in Accenture. So okay, so if you are interested in working in an Accenture, and Accenture is hiring for multiple positions also. So if you are interested, do share your resume to this email ID mdaamirkhan804@gmail.com. So if you are interested, you can share a resume. Along with resume, you can share the primary skills in the email, your date of birth, your email address, your contact number, and the years of experience. Okay. So if you will share this information to this email address, definitely they refer you in the Accenture. He is my friend. So if you are interested to work in Accenture, then you will please share your resume. Okay. So along with the resume, I already say please share the primary skills, date of birth, email address, contact number, and years of experience. Okay. So Accenture is hiring for a lot of positions. I can show you what position they are hiring. So they are hiring for a lot of positions, but the condition here is the experience required is 2.5 to 12 years of experience. Okay. So if you are interested, I don't think so. They are hiring for a fresher for these roles because these are the specialist role in Accenture. So if you have experience of 2.5, minimum 2.5, and maximum it's not matter at all, but a minimum you have 2.5 years of experience, then you can share your resume. Okay, and you can share resume on this email. Okay. So they are hiring for multiple positions. First is Spring Boot developer, basically Java Spring Boot developer, and the second is Java full stack developer. Third is React.js developer, which is a library of JavaScript. So React.js developer, and which is in more demand right now. Everybody hiring is for React.js developer. So it is a lot of demand for React.js developer right now, and also for Node.js developer also. So if you are a Node.js developer or you have worked in Node.js, you can send the resume, and we will refer you an Accenture. And the fifth is Angular developer. Okay, Angular. So these are the React.js and Angular are the front end library of JavaScript and TypeScript. So these are the for front-end technologies, and the Node.js backend technologies, Spring Boot is backend technologies, and the full stack is Java full stack development. In that you have front-end and backend also. And the sixth is Salesforce development. Seventh is AWS Big Data, and the eight is Java Standard Edition, and the nine is Apple iOS application development. 10 is DevOps. So these are the positions they are looking for, and they are looking for various other positions also. I can tell you the name like Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft 365, SharePoint Online, Guidewire, PolicyWire. Okay, there are a lot of multiple positions. There are like a microservices and lightweight architecture also. They are looking for Microsoft Dynamics AX technical. They are looking for ASP.NET. They are looking for ASP ABAP development for HANA. They are looking for Microsoft SQL Server integration services. They are looking for ASP.NET MVC. They are looking for Microsoft Windows Azure PaaS platform as a service. And also they are looking for business requirement analysis also. So they are looking for various multiple positions. Even the position that you are looking for that is not mentioned here, you can please share your resume, because there are a lot of positions and that I know that they are hiring, but I have not written here. So if your skill does not match here, what I have mentioned the positions name, then again then still you can share your resume to this email address. Okay. And definitely if you are a valid candidate, if you are satisfied all the conditions, then we will definitely refer you, and they are paying a good amount of money. So the thing is you have a minimum of 2.5 years of experience, and these are the specialist role in Accenture. So you can work there. Okay. So please share your resume if you are interested on this email address. Thank you. So that's all for today's video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share this video to those who are in need. It's a time of corona, everybody needed a job, so that's why I'm referring you. That's why I call to my friends, please, if you have a positions opening in Accenture. So they said, so he said to me, yeah, yeah, there are a lot of positions. So okay, so if you are interested, please share your resume to this email address. Thank you for watching.